Inbox Suite provides a great tool for multivariate content for both creation and performance analysis. It is Inbox Feeds that allows you to create variable content and make a quick decision which components work best for key email marketing metrics. Let's go into Inbox Feeds. First step is to define variable content. For that reason, we add content source. There are three types of content sources: stored files, predefined values, and advertisers content. Let's start with predefined values. We add a content source name, and then in the settings we set variable name. And then we enter variable values. And then we click Save. Now that we have added content sources, we can proceed to compose a feed. Add a name and description. Choose to synchronize all sets content sources if you have coherent number of values across all variables, and then enable multivariate testing. Next, you need to add content sources sets you want to use in this feed. And then click Save. Now that we have composed a new feed, we have a couple of options to do. You can get MVT report. You can go back to editing the feed. You can have a quick look to see all the variable values. Just click refresh to see all the rotated options. You can also copy URL, which will be needed at the final stage of preparing the email template. Clone and delete options are also available. Now we are ready to compose email within our Ampere, the drag and drop interactive email creator. So we are in the template that we would like to adjust according to the feeds that we have created. So we want to insert the name of the shoes inside this copy. We need to go to feeds and then select the variable. And then we also would like to exchange those x's with the same variable. So we will just do it again. Next step that we need to do is to export the template to Inbox Suite. Then we click Export to ESP. We choose the CDN, which is ESP. We choose site ID, series ID. And we export to ESP. Once it's exported, we can click Go to ESP. We landed in the Inbox Suite on the editorial page. First thing we need to do is to change the provider type to Simple Provider. Then we need to paste the feed URL earlier copied from the Inbox Feeds. Last thing is to see the preview of the template. We can see that variables are filled with defined values. Once we enter the preview again, it will show the next value. The template with rotated content is now ready to be sent. Once the last email is sent, you want to draw conclusion which version of the email worked better, or to be more precise, which component correlated with the higher email metrics. You only need to click Get MVT to see the report. Colors represent the strength of positive or negative correlation with three email metrics: delivery, opens, and clicks. The stronger the color, the stronger the correlation. The closer the value to 1 or -1, the stronger is the positive or negative correlation. Each row of the table shows correlation of one specific value present in the email. Now you can be sure which values need to be removed and which ones should stay in the template. Happy testing!